All right, so if you are going to have any kind of website, you're definitely going to need somewhere to get images. I wanted to just run through a couple stock photo options for you in case you don't know where to find images. I do encourage you as much as possible to use real photos that you've taken, photos of yourself, photos of your product, photos of your real office and stuff, because it's always nice to have that personalized touch. But obviously, a lot of us use stock photos as well, mix them in. You can rely on stock photos completely if you're just getting started. But anyway, I wanted to show you some options in case you don't know where to find good photos. There are some in Canva, obviously. And if you have the free Canva, there's a more limited range. If you have the paid Canva version, then there's even more. So if it has the little star by it, not star, crown, you know it's the paid, but there are ones in Canva. If you want something not in Canva, for free, I really recommend Unsplash. It's this word, unsplash.com. And they have a lot. They have all kinds of people shots, nature shots, textures, backgrounds, all kinds of things. You can search for all different kinds of stuff, like say business and work. If you have different, whatever type of business you need. The textures and patterns can be cool for backgrounds on websites, like the way they've used it here, a cool pattern, and then you have your text and your buttons on top. So that's something to check out. They have all kinds. You can search up here, fashion. You can filter by colors. There's lots of stuff you can do. So definitely check this out. There's lots of options. Ooh, 3D renders. That's, I think, newer. Oh, see, that would be cool for a website as a background. There's all kinds of stuff. So anyway, be sure to check them out if you need stock. The nice thing about them is that they are free. You can create an account if you like stuff. And then once you have an account, it's totally free. You just log in. But you can download in the bottom corner, see if you hover over it. And if you have a totally free account, if you want one, then you can heart the things here or add them to a collection. So if you're kind of getting ready to design your website and you want to keep a bunch of options in one place, you could click here, create a little collection that says, whatever, biz website, and then have a bunch. That's also a cool way to look at them all together when you create your collection. You can see the whole collection on a page like this, all of them together. And then that kind of helps you see, oh, these really go well together, but, this one's too bright to go with this, say, if this was your collection. So it helps you kind of get a feel for what would work well on a website together. So that's one option. There's also Pexels. This one is also free, and it's similar. You can just kind of scroll through. You can search. They have lots of different options, lots of different styles. Not really so much for this project, but if you ever need video, I actually really think that's where Pexels stands out. So they have lots of different stuff. And you, again, I think can join, which creates collections. And they actually work with Canva. So you click here for Canva video. So that's pretty cool too. If you find stuff in here, then you can use it seamlessly in Canva. But anyway, lots of options, same deal. You would just type in, women at computer, say if you're a copywriter and you want some work photos, this could go on a website or, whatever. So you just find something that works for you, lots of different styles, oh, this one's super popular. You'll see this a lot if you start looking for it. If you're looking for a really high quality option in terms of paid stock, the good thing about paid is that it does tend to be a little bit rarer since it's not free, not as many people use them. If that is something that you're interested in, I really like Social Squares, something to check out if it fits you. If you find me across the internet, you'll notice that I use a lot of their stuff. I just think they are just so pretty. So if you're looking for more stock options, this is a good one. It's paid, but you know, if it suits what you need, that can be a good option. Hootstock is another paid option. I thought I'd give 2 free, 2 paid, just to kind of show you some variety. This one has a lot of video, which is cool if you need it. Again, you know, I think they do a lovely job. I don't personally use these too often, but I do think that they have some really pretty stuff. So, you know, I'm just showing you that there are a lot of options in the world. So if you can't find what you need immediately, don't be discouraged. Tons of things out there. These are just 4 places to check. You can also just Google stock photos. You know, there are definitely other places. Adobe sells stock. Lots of places sell stock. So something to think about, but you do need images from somewhere for your website. So I would say that it's good to compile a group of images that you want to have ready when you sit down to design, because that will make your design process a lot smoother and a lot faster.